Welcome back to Euro Truck Simulator 2 with me, Chili Smith, driving for Sweet Truckle. Number 45. Job 45. Brand new career, never played the game before. Bought it a month ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that. A month ago, I think now. Loved it so much. After a week, that I bought all the maps, and I'm driving around Europe for fun in a big truck, and it's great. And we're currently in Bulgaria. It's in a quarry. Stopped off a big road roller. Anyway, let's see what we got from Ruse. We've got Istanbul to Constantinople. It's quite a long journey. It's worth a lot of money though. 61 tons of volage, whatever that is. Locomotive, is that a train? Oh, might be worth it just to see the train, you know, if it is a train. It's Scania. It's 7 hour for so no, it's too long a video. I want to try and keep them down a bit because it's getting silly. A 50-minute video in HD takes nearly 3 hours to upload, so I think I want to try and keep it a bit more localized. Try and go for the bigger jobs. Camper vans to Edern and Ruse. Packed glass, Romania, Kavala, Queen, a yacht. Let's take a yacht. 27,000. Yeah, we'll take that. Fragile, high value, and urgent. How long we got? We've got 4 hours to take it. How far? Better do it. Not messing around. Dog, you better be ready.
Get on with it.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. We're in the morning, so we're right there. How do we get out of this place? Up there. Let's have a look at this yacht. Oh, there it is, baby. There it is. Not sure what truck this is. It's pretty swanky. I don't like the mirrors though. Right, something out of ride. We do not want to damage this yacht. This is like our pride and joy. It's our yacht. It's not anyone else's yacht. Our yacht. It's not
Turn
a job.
left.
It's your yacht. It's even the colours you get a yacht in. It is. Right, just going to do the cab. It's not going to affect the job. I'm going to go for that wide thing again. It's a huge Iveco. Is that it? I think so. That'll do. Yeah, that's alright. Change his gear alright. It's quick enough. It's not a very heavy yacht. Let's get the job done. Let's get it there quick. No messing about. Docks of some sort. Right, Here we go. Yacht. Let's get it there. Oh, they got railway. Looks like it. Just let me go. Cool. Had to check.
Get ready to turn left.
Okay. Oh, beastman, policeman. We do not want to hit anything. He's going left. He's alright. He's alright. He's going left. He's going to hit me. We didn't. That'll do me. Cool, let's get that. Oh, I can see the other side now, look. Just because I changed the thing. Don't look straight now, though. That's better. This is alright. Right, we're going to get there for 10:30. It wants to be there for latest 11:30. So we can't mess around.
Get ready to turn right.
We cannot afford
Turn right.
to mess around. Let's get it there. Oh, that's not fair. As long as it didn't damage the thing. That's the main thing. The yacht. Oh, look, cars parked at the side. This is definitely a newer map. You've got cars parked and stuff. A lot more detail. Bushes. 10:30. Got an hour window. Gives me an hour to park it in game time. It's about 7 minutes maybe. Don't go too fast. I don't want to go too slow because if I go like 43, obviously I'm 7 miles an hour slower. So every hour it's going to cost me 7 miles. I mean, you don't want that. We're exiting Ruse. Right, we can get a bit of speed up now. Truck's alright. Oh, that's... I'm not going to say it. It must have been Beastman, Policeman, Babylon. It must have been an Iveco the last time that did that. It sounds like a kid's toy. Oh, we've downloaded a cheap free horn for. Oh, look at that! Muddy Waters. Name of a band. Be a good name of a band, that, wouldn't it? I can't believe I can see the other side of the cab. It's pretty mental. You're not allowed to go fast on these roads anyway. But I can't afford to lose time. So, pressing on. Oh, bumpy, almost there. 146 kilometres to go, yeah. Anyway, how you doing on the 45th episode of Job for Sweet Chuckle? Oh, we can go 70 now. It's Monday night. Everyone should be finished for Christmas hopefully now, unless you're working tomorrow. If you are, then thank you. Razgrad.
How many times do I have to tell you to slow down?
You didn't say anything, Douglas. That's the thing. I expect you to, and you don't do it. I think that's way too low. It's going to be like 43. Yeah. We need to keep speed up. We've lost 2 minutes already. Ah! Slow down. Policeman comes by now. This is what I should imagine. This is what I imagine like Barbados looks like. Is that a beastman? Yeah, you just know he's going to be about in the 50 zone. You po. Ooh. We're alright. We're okay until 11:30 in the afternoon. Don't forget then it's difficult. I can always say, okay, let's go for the easy park and like do it in pretty quick time. But I want to get there so I can try to do it. If it has got a 90, am I taking to some sort of marina? It's a boat. I think so.
Slow down.
70 when I looked last time.
Keep left.
Ooh. Now? No.
Recomputing.
Oh, yes.
Keep left.
Now we're going to be sure. Now it's not going to be on time. Oh, it's lost 20 minutes. Right, hopefully. Yeah, we're lucky. It's a joined road. Over there. Back round. Still on time. We're alright. Not worried yet. Keep left.
Keep left.
Yeah. Like I say, you can always
Keep left.
Yes. I went air last time. Alright. We're a few minutes late, but we're alright. Not late yet. Half an hour till we're late. On the right side of the road. Can we get some speed up yet? I know he does. Oh, that was close. Didn't indicate, sorry. Half an hour to go then, that isn't it? Big on it. I feel like I'm in some sort of Starsky and Hutch like episode. I've got a truckload of shit and I'm all over the place because like, I've stolen a boat. Cock it in tubs. Policeman, Babylon. Ooh, that was close. I think I'm alright. Just gotta go the right way. Come on. Ooh, 90 is faster as can go anyway. But it don't matter if I pedal to the metal.
Keep left.
I'm keeping left. Look at those in the air. Look at those things. Skiing lifts. Ski lifts. It's quite a mental Hammond organ solo going on there. Ray Manzarek might have wrote that one. What band was he in? Let me know in the comments. Ray Manzarek. Come on, we've gained a bit of time here, you know. 4 minutes. Oh, look at the map. I didn't change it to the bigger map. I've already got this map on my dash, look. I don't need it. Sucre. Keep right. Still okay for 11:30. We've got 33 minutes. It's 12 minutes away. Varna. Excuse the burp. Alfa Romeo. Oh, we do not need traffic lights right now.
Keep right, and then turn right.
Braking's better. Come on then. Come on then. We need to get there. Come on. The lights have changed for. Oh, they have. Oh no. How's you look?
Turn right.
We're down to the last 30 minutes to get there. We've got 6 kilometers to go. We've lost 4 minutes because of these traffic lights. Because we were 4 minutes up from the 11. Because when it hit 11, it's no. I don't know actually. Did it before then, to be honest. Come on then. Let's get it. Come on.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Second. First.
Exit now.
Okay, let's get it there. I'm not curbing it or anything. Third exit. I've still got half an hour.
Straight.
That's not straight.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Train. Oh, good. Nothing coming. I looked. I did.
Exit now.
There we go. It's alright truck actually. Don't mind the Aveco. Now I've got the screen
Keep left.
thing
Then turn
sorted.
left.
I can see the whole.
Turn left.
Now I can see the whole screen. Now I've realised I can change the settings to do that. Feels like I'm driving a real truck. I just have to glance over. And that's why I can do that without even thinking about it. Come on, we've got made up 2 minutes there. Just by that bend. Oh, I keep nudging. Oh, what's going on? My desk keeps moving. Computer desk. Nothing coming.
Keep right, and then exit right.
Okay.
Exit right.
We're almost there. He's trying to make us panic with the music, but it's not working. Or is it?
Get ready to turn right.
I rolled that round there, nice. Get down in gear. Check the...
Turn right.
Nothing coming. Oh, apart from the car opposite. You didn't see that, right? Half an hour to park it between meal times, about 3 minutes, I think. So let's get it parked.
Go straight.
Policeman, Babylon. Po, 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 po. Let me in. Come on. I'm rolling. Yeah. Look at that. Like a glove. I'm here.
Get ready to turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Finally, we are here.
I know, it was a bit of a shot, wasn't it? Got to be 40. There. That's not quick, is it? That is. We'll take that one, get a job done. Straight in. And that's how you do it. Ooh, good work. Not excellent. Really? Oh, I've damaged it. That's why. I can't believe I damaged. Did I damage the boat or the lorry? Not sure. Anyway, that was episode 45. I'm pretty sure we're still in Ramon. Oh, what we got here? No special transports. Hi, boss. That's great. Thank you. Looking good. 234,000. Currently in. Are we now? Varna? Yeah, so I went Varna from Ruse. So Varna. So we're now on the coast. Nowhere to go from there though. That's not filled in yet. We've come down to Burgas, all these places, all those places. We're looking good from there. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.